Yeah. Blessed is the one who comes in the name of the Lord. Yahweh saves. Yeshua. No more idols in the land. No more. Tabitirwa mana mu Rwanda. No more. Dora bitisi mana mu Rwanda shamba bafanyeho. We are all one people. No more blame and tricks on your own. Every life is precious and was meant to have meaning. No one has the right to kill another as they please. How can you oppress me and then claim to defend me? Oh Nimrod, Nimrod, you wicked one. Washasekuishira hejuru noni mani gusize hasi. Don't you know there's only one to be praised and revered? You will know them by their fruits. Yeshua said, oh Nimrod, you're not a shepherd but a wolf. A coward constantly lies, but a real man faces the truth. Turabanyarwanda twese kandi turaziranye. Between Rusesabagina and Paul, who should really be in jail? Between Paul and Kagame, who should really be behind bars? We have the culprit dictating the law, and the heroes are facing the music. It's all upside down, the land is in confusion. In times like this, the light of love is what we need. Encourage, we are together, those seeking peace and justice. Oh Nimrod, Nimrod, you wicked one. Washasekuishira hejuru noni mani gusize hasi. Don't you know there's only one to be praised and revered?